Hi, it's Inventor Marco again, and today I'd like to talk to you about my latest invention. It's called the Rocket Sandbag System, or the RSS. This soon-to-be award-winning invention is the new revolutionary tool for helping fill sandbags compared to traditional sandbag filling. It's faster, it's safer, and it's easier than anything you've ever seen.
The RSS enables one person to do the work of four people with significantly less effort. Hundreds of millions of sandbags are filled every year, as sandbags are the primary method employed to control floodwaters in an emergency. And notice all the bent backs. They've also been invaluable in military fortification for years. With global warming, flooding has never been worse. Sandbags are ubiquitous because they work, are simple, cheap, and effective, although they are very labor-intensive and time-consuming. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers recognizes just how difficult sandbag filling truly is and recommends team members should rotate duties to avoid muscle fatigue. The image seen is their recommended body position for sandbag filling. OSHA advises manually lifting, filling, moving, or placing sandbags is physically demanding work, and this work may lead to back or other injuries. While a variety of accessories like scoops or funnels have been tried over the years, the Rocket Sandbag System is the smartest choice, as it requires only one person, not two, slashes the filling time in half, increases efficiency, and dramatically reduces back strain. Traditional sandbag filling requires two people, one to hold the bag while the other shovels, and both are uncomfortable positions that quickly lead to muscle fatigue. This method requires the loaded shovel to be raised up to the opening of the bag, usually about 3 feet. It is also very slow, as accuracy counts as not to injure the bag holder's hands, and any spillage is wasted effort. Now compare the standard method to the Rocket Sandbag System. The use of a horizontal filling tube reduces muscle strain, as the sand is lifted only inches compared to feet. Also notice the speed of the filling, as accuracy is not as important.
There, now you've seen just what the Rocket Sandbag System can do. Now here's where I need your help on this patent-pending invention. I need your help to help save lives and save people's homes and get this life-saving device off the ground. Thank you. I'm Inventor Marco.